Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute mushroom so easily. Let's start drawing. First, I draw its face. I draw cute eyes. And a little mouth like this. Then I drew the head of the mushroom. On its head, I draw a leaf like this. I draw many circles with different sizes. Then I draw the mushroom's body. On the back of it, I drew some leaves. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use paint to paint its cheeks under its eyes. Then I color its head red. For its face and its body, I use this cream marker. Finally, I use this dark green marker to paint these leaves. Yeah, our drawing is almost completed. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!